Diagramming a sentence can help us see things in a sentence we hadn't noticed before. This is particularly true with questions or interrogative sentences. Hi, this is Thomas from Cozy Grammar, and one of the topics that Marie and I take up in the intermediate Cozy Grammar course is sentence diagramming. Although sentence diagramming isn't taught as much anymore, it remains a useful tool for students who wish to clarify their understanding of how sentences are put together. Here, for instance, is how Marie diagrams the following question. Are these apples very sweet?
Are these apples very sweet? The general analysis is a simple interrogative sentence. It is diagrammed as follows. Draw a horizontal line divided into 3 equal parts. In the first section, write the main subject, apples. In the second section, write the main predicate, are. In the third section, write the complement, sweet. On a slanted line beneath the horizontal line under the main subject, write the adjective, these. On a slanted line beneath the horizontal line under the complement, write the adverb, very.
One of the things you may have noticed about Marie's example is that the diagram changed the order of the words. If you come with me through the gate, I'll explain why that is. The interrogative sentence, "Are these apples very sweet?" begins with the word are. The sentence diagram, however, places the word are in the center of the diagram. That's where you place the verb in the diagram of a 3-part sentence. A sentence diagram makes clear which part is the subject, which part is the main predicate, and which part is the complement, even if this changes the order of the words. That's why we always capitalize the first word of the sentence in its sentence diagram. Because the word are is capitalized, we know that we have an interrogative sentence. Are these apples very sweet? At the same time, the sentence diagram makes clear that even though are is the first word in the sentence, grammatically speaking, it is part of the predicate, are sweet. What questions do you have about how sentences work? Feel free to share them in a comment or through our website, cozygrammar.com. We'll do our best to bring sweetness to our answers.